Live. What's up, gang? Nate? What's going on? How are you? Good to see you here. If I could do one of these, I'd be like, bartender, round of drinks on me. Everybody that's here. So just picture a shot pulling up by you, whatever you want, you know, whatever it is, tequila, cognac, you know, NyQuil, whatever you want. That's what you drink, that's what you drink. Moonshine. If you guys don't know, back in the Soviet Union, I might have told this story before. Back in the old days in the Soviet Union, like there was a dry law, right? After World War II, there was a dry law, which meant there was no alcohol allowed. But some items like cologne had alcohol in it, so men would go find cologne and drink cologne because it was the only thing you could find that had alcohol in it. And you could read about it. There's plenty of stories about that. Are we switching? No, we're not. I just like, I'm sorry. I missed my, I don't know how, it's 2 days in a row. I completely slept through it. I woke up at around NYC Open and I could not log in to the top one over here. For some reason, I wasn't able to log in. I don't know what the fuck was going on. And from Chaco, worst vodka I ever had in college. Yeah, but like that was the deal. But we're not switching today. I'm gonna be streaming New York session. We got a W. I woke up as soon as we opened up. Like we got a W. I ended up the day yesterday. Hold on. We go look at this. So we ended up like this week has been moving too. Look at that. We're up $2.5 grand for the week here. About to get another payout on this account. Yeah, look at this. Some daily loss. Here's what? Stop covering. We're 16,000. Yeah, we ended yesterday. So this includes today's New York session. So we still got a W in New York, right in the Signal channel. We just didn't stream it. So if you missed it, join up. So far, right? Undefeated September, 6 red days in October, and undefeated November. Zoom door, please. I got you. What's up, gang? Is that where Drowning Cologne came from? I'm not sure, but that's just stuff I know. I've read about and I know from my grandparents and parents' stories. My brother, he tells stories like he lived it. Like he's like, yeah, that's like, it was like that. And I remember it being like, and I'm like, bro, you read a book. But the thing about him is like, if he says it, like that means he did read it somewhere. He's not making it up. Whether the book is true or not, that's a whole different story, but he did read it. So whenever he says it, I got to believe him that he's read that somewhere so he can cite the source, not necessarily trust that's true. Wonder how their burp would smell like? Aqua de Jo. If your ass was farting up Versace, I'd be like, you know what? Maybe we keep him around. I'm gonna need you to sit in the front seat of the car and maybe drink 2 bottles. Let it rip, word. Matter of fact, I can't, no. I came really close to coming out. Yeah, chat. Remember, like, if you think the shit I say is fucked up, Think about the shit I almost say. No, we can. Hi, kids. You like violence? Gold Ranger, holding. Yeah, like we still got a W today, though. Right? Where did we get a W? I think it was 230 on the 230 candle. Here we go. Where's right here? We won. We got a W. 230. We had an entry. I had an entry right here. Like 420. 420. Somewhere right here on the top wick, I had an entry. And then it came down. It never drove, but we secured 21 pips. 20 something. No, this isn't the buy. It was sells. And then the one you see on screen is from last night. I can't wait for a smoke session with you. Filtered. With unfiltered wicks one day. Okay. Nice. Yo. I don't know how steep we're coming down. Or what's going on here. Man, I really like this level. I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit here. I have a buy limit here. What is this? 41, 85 too. I haven't even done a breakdown, but I think 85.5 will be it for me. Too lot, not too much. I think we should see a reaction here. And we're gonna keep this as a stop right here. I get to my. I get the yawns. I wasn't ready for this. Didn't even do a breakdown yet, but. Looking good here for this. We've ranged heavily, so like we might see a heavy drive, right? But if we didn't range like this and we were coming back down, I would bet on this level. I think I'm gonna bet on it here. Not too much. Not too much. It's about, the stops aren't that bad, right? Under 50 pips, 43 pip stop. I take that risk. You know, maybe I'll give it a little bit of room here just in case it breaks it by a pip or two. Can I use here? 81.1. I think we're gonna use 80.8. And what's the deal?
What's the deal? What's the deal?
We're live.
Figure?
I'm glad we're here. 855 80.4180.8. 4180.8. Four-hour, 1 hour. We've rejected out of there a few times. I want a reaction out of here. How far? Let's see. Probably 88. 88.5. 30 pips. So if we're able to come down here, I'm looking at partials at around 30 pips. Right, so I'll secure one lot at around 30 pips. The daily's closed bullish, right? We've just opened up on a daily. The 4 hours closed bearish. Formed resistance. We're coming back down. Just broke. Yeah, this is the hourly support. It was a 4 hour, 30, 1, 15. I mean, looking good here. I think we should be good. And if it smacks, might attempt it down here as well. We'll see. We'll see. Anyone taking this with me? Good luck. May the forces of evil become confused on the way to your house. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be all right. Mm-hmm. You ever trade currency pairs? No, I don't anymore. I used to years ago, right? I used to trade GJ. Sorry, did I just mute myself right now? How long have I been muted? Oh, you guys heard me singing. You ever trade currency pairs? I do not. I used to trade GJ. I used to trade everything when I started, and then a long time ago on streams, we traded GJ, like the first year we streamed. And after that, not really. All right, good luck, gang. We're about to be in a position here. I think 88.5 will be 88.5 will be right where we're at right now at this level. That's gonna be first. Gonna be first partial take profit. Had to break up with GJ a few years back. Gold been holding it down. That's true, yeah. Gold has been holding it down. Just want a reaction here, but what is it bouncing off of? Do not really want to bounce right before it comes down to our level. All right. Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. Good luck, gang. Almost. Almost. Hold the line. Hold the line. Spartans. Hold the line. Bro. Hold the line. Tap us in. Go. Are we in? We're in. All right, let's see. Let's see when partials hit. I want a bigger reaction than that. Come on, push up a little bit. We need a bounce. We need a bounce. Let's go. Let's go. Hold the line. Come on. fuck was that? Got really close. Not it. Not it just yet. Yeah. We needed to bump up. I'm okay with risking what we have on the line because I expect this reaction here. This is key. But if it drives through, it drives through, and then we'll attempt it later. But I expect that reaction to be stronger. Those 30 pips. Right now we're breaking lows, so. Come on. Pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You heard that song? Pump it up. All right, wrong song here. I didn't say MFF. I said pump it up. Might be a quick drop. Come on. Come on. Hold the line. Hold the line. Push up. Push up. Oh. Oh, push up. Push up. We're Kevin here. Got to push up a little. Damn it. Bearish volume. Bearish volume. Yeah, gang. We need this candle to react. Can't be the next candle. It's got to be this candle. Got to push up. We might have another attempt down here, but pip-wise, I don't know. We'll see right now. Let's go, baby. What are you doing? No! Wrong way! All right. I start here. I start here with a small L. All right, we'll get it back. We'll get it back. Get it back, gang. What are you doing? Hold the line. Do we bounce off the 4-hour level here if we break? Interesting, interesting, interesting. Uh-oh. Oh, plot twist? Come on. No. Twist my plot. Harder. Harder. Twist it. Yes, twist it. Twist this plot. Yes. Harder, faster, stronger. That ain't a plot twist. Come on. Let's rewrite this script. Just this page right here. Oh, boo. Boo. Ain't gonna lie, I want to have this 4-hour level, but might not be here. Come on, push up. Solid level, I can't lie though. This was a solid entry. I think we had a great entry from a really good level. And it gave us a really good stop. So it just made sense all around. Come on, twist my plot a little harder. Thank you. Thank you for twisting these plots. There we go, we're breaking lows. Might be heavy to the drop. Come on. Is this drawdown? Yeah, this is drawdown. This is your wife going shopping at Target. Your wife's in Target right now, roaming around with your credit card. This is what's happening. You feel me? Come on, push up. Oh, wow. That did nothing. I don't know why that just closed so much on the signals. I'm sorry. I'm still in on the signals, but it closed like at 2 pips for some reason. I was trying to change lot size and I misclicked right next to the lot size. I clicked sell. It's all right. I mean, it'll still pull up. Sorry, gang. Go. So I'm going to move stops to break even here in case. No, come on, push up. You suck. All right, well, we made $75. It was at 16 pips. Oh, we made something. Put that here. Boom. All right, we're risk-free here. It twisted my plot. Man, can you give me like $400 here? 420. Come on, 42 pips. Give me 42 pips. Not a lot. 40 pips. 40 pips. Something. I messed up on both because I closed out 70% of my position instead of changing the lot size for the sell limit. And well, I guess I got some profits on there. I want a quick, we don't want to mess around here and then re-break the lows. We wanted a quick reaction to drive up. Yeah. might roam around. He might take a sell, might come up, but I want that quick pump up, right? And B? Yep, B. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck was that? It opened me the other way. Hold that for $30. Ah, it's all right. It's all right. Good content. But all that for $30. Damn, this fucker's gonna go now, right? It's gonna go. Now we're fucking 20 pips in profit. It's a good level. Like I said, I really believe in that trade and that level. 9 times out of 10, you get that 50, 40 pip reaction. I think we'll call this trade a break even. Yo, we have not had a break even trade. How much did we secure in the signals? Wait, signals secured good profit? What did we get? Signals secured 13 pips. That's a W. 13 pips is a W, right? That's not a break even. That's a W. Profit is profit. No, like right now it's at RTP. Right now it's 20 pips in profit. Maybe I moved the stop too soon, but I just saw it pumping. Like it got close. It got like 25 pips in profit. Got like 5 pips from our partials for a second. But like that's just how I feel. If like we're 20 pips in profit and we let it come back into negative, like we're assholes. We're those assholes that I talk about, right? It's like it was a 20 pips in profit. Like it was either gonna come up or like you're an asshole if you let it come back. No hate intended. I'm just wondering, are you still in streams with Don? But you haven't been around in a long time. No, I'm not in streams with Don, but that's my boy. I really fuck with him. So we were right about the level. Like this is exact. Our entry was right there where this bottom wick just rejected off of. That's full. That's BP. I mean, such is life sometimes, right? Got 19 out of it. Yeah, I made 13. That's gonna be 581. I was gonna say we haven't had a break even in forever. This thing which I got 13 pips. Fuck it. It's a W. It doesn't feel like a W from the way we usually trade now, right? We get a lot. Kind of disappointed we should be in here right now, riding this all the way back up. Such is life, and that's cool with it. It's cool with it. How often does this happen now? Sometimes we miss it by a pip. Sometimes we get in it and it takes us out and then drives for 100. Sometimes we get a 100 pip reaction in 0 seconds and we don't get paid on it because the broker questions that. But sometimes, but no matter which one of those times happens, it's just somehow, just somehow, we always end up ahead. Just somehow, even if it's by $1 after being down 3,000 on the day, we just somehow always. Pew! Wait, the top one reject your payout because of that trade? No, but they did give me shit for it. You keep saying pip, but not sure what it is. A tick? Yeah. Just I come from the Forex side. My audience, majority of them come from the Forex side, so a pip is easier for us to talk. We can call it a tick, but it would just get messy. And then some people have their own lingo in their own streams, and if somebody called the tick or a pip a fucking a chalk or whatever it is, like it'd be cool, right? But if I call it pip because it's coming from forex, you're like, oh, this fool doesn't know what he's talking about, right? No, I just, it's easier for us to call it pip. Achoo. It was a solid trade. I believe so. Options, you were in it, weren't you? I'm still holding the shorts. Am I being greedy? Yes. What's the worst that can happen? You hit BE? Yeah. Pretty much the worst that can happen. The worst that could happen is you'll learn a lesson and get better at trading. It's really the worst that can happen. The best that can happen is you'll make money. Well, I told it to twist our plot a little harder. Harder. My kids are in the other room probably wondering, what the fuck is dad doing? Oh, Bougie, it hit your TP when it had that quick little pump up. You had 20 pips. Yeah, it went to like 25. I had it at 30 flat. Just missed us. Yeah, you had no stress in there. You just pumped up, got out. That's what it's all about. I was gonna pineapple at the 4-hour level down here, right? Yeah, I wasn't. I was gonna let it take me out if it was gonna come down there, and then take another one down here. Just save myself this amount of pips. 50 pips, you pretty much know it needs a support to reject, right? So if it breaks that low, it's heading down here. And if that's the case, right, if it's heading down to the 4-hour level, why risk the rest of it? Just get out and just re-enter right back there. Don't miss it. Yes, everybody out big time. What are you doing? How was your day? It was Dan. 14K on the month. Your boss doesn't make 14K on the month. Your boss's boss doesn't make 14K on the month. God damn it. I feel like this is gonna come all the way back up. Should have held. Oh well. Happy Thanksgiving. Yep. You guys are gonna be giving thanks tomorrow? Today? Always give thanks. Took the sale from top. Took 60 pips on the fund, 100 pips on the challenge. Head of the game. With buy limits, because we are buying at strong levels. If it goes down a range, come back to retest it, so I pineapple. Ah. It's your reasoning? Sounds solid reasoning. Not wrong. I can't listen to that and be like, that's dumb. I listen to that, I'm like, makes sense. All right. Solid. If you were doing some shit that didn't make sense, I'd be like, man, I don't know if I tell him or just tell somebody to tell him. Nope, I'm gonna tell him and video it. Capture the reaction. This fucker is gonna come all here. He's sitting around his motherfucker. And if you want to learn how to identify these levels, just join a Discord, join a Signal channel, and show up to the live streams and to the private sessions. Very simple. Oh, please, if you're here, drop a like and sub to the channel and share the stream. Hey, if you're not here, show up and then drop a like and sub to the channel, and please share the stream with everyone else who's not here so we can grow, right? Like, you guys are the water to my chia pet, all right? And if you don't water me, I'm not gonna chia. All right, need you guys to show up.
Was there a dread chia? I remember Obama chia.
I don't know, man. I don't remember what the cheers were, but I was just, you throw me off, bro. It's the pothead thing. It's like, oh, look at Kitty. Let's fucking talk about that. Nah.
The white
I'm
Rasta
smoking
chia.
too. The thing is, I'm smoking too. And now you've caught me. And now we got to discuss the chia. Like, if I was sober, I'd be like, this guy, come on, bro. I'm trying to, but I'm smoking too. And like, you done caught me off guard. I was going to completely just go into that conversation head first, completely forget what we were talking about. But like, please drop a like, sub to the channel, and share this stream. Let's grow this channel. Let's grow the community. Need your help. Oh, and we're almost at 27.7. I don't know how you guys are doing this overnight. Like every other night, you guys are getting me to the next level. And it's been a great ride the last month. Why more people in Asia? I don't know, bro. Haven't been able to catch the trade right now in long and drawdown. Right now in deep drawdown. Didn't want to risk getting marginated. Bro. Yeah, I don't really want to get marginated either, bro. Sounds expensive. Yes. Now I understand. Thank you for the translation of English to English. Short bus English to
I thought maybe he wanted to get marinated like my lamb chops.
oh, lamb chops. Tomorrow, incoming. That dinner gonna be legendary. That was such a great trade. Like, wow, even the stop loss so comforting. Yeah, it was under 50 pips. If you just sell, like you would have, you saw 40 pips here, close to 40. Twisted my plot. Losing the account low key is marinated, to be honest. All right, yeah. Hold on. I want to see where we are in terms of subs. Can we? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. It's really us, right? It's not just me. It's really us. Team game here. 27,666. We got to get off this number. We are 30 now, 667. We are 33 subs away from 27.7. Let's get away from the sixes to the sevens. 33 subs, 30 subs. I'm gonna keep asking for your subs, gang. Show up, give dubs. You show up, you give subs. It's poetry. It was meant to be. It was always us, always you and me. What else? It makes sense, Wix. You start doing Asian, you get more people on here, and if you were to start London, even more people from different parts. Yeah, bro. Same fucker you having last night on buys 100 pips lower. Yes. All 3 sessions impossible, possible, but not healthy, I think. You'll burn out real quick. Well, in general, people tend to burn out, and like you gotta have. What's the word I'm looking for? Balance. Great word. Balance. Equilibrium, but balance, yeah. What are we doing here? Stamina, charisma. No, I mean, it's not a dating show. We need balance. Bro, can you why use candle Haikanashi without noisy? I think you kind of hurt me. I think I lost, like, if this was like Street Fighter and we had a health meter, I think I took like a 2 or a 3 point hit on that. The force is strong with that one. Damn. That hurt. That my brain is, I don't know, looped now. Ow. Real ow, bro. What the fuck? Yo, if you guys, if I don't show up because I have a migraine, it's on Alejandro. How's your name, Alejandro Sandoval Schwartzman? How you go from a cholo to a redneck to a Jew all in one name? That's wild. Like, man, gotta get out of trouble sometime. That boy just fits in everywhere. He never had to move. And if he did, he'd fit in anywhere. Yeah. I don't know. It ain't moving right now. It's the last 15 of this hourly candle, right? We expect a little bit of a pullback. I think we'll come up a little bit. And there we go. It's kind of pulling back right now. Don't think we'll really break through here. If we do, I mean, we'll look to evaluate this level. Farzo has buys over here. I'm sorry, not Farzo. Options has buys over here. Buy limits. You guys are welcome to join them. It's about 100 pips away, but we're going to reevaluate on the next hourly. So it's something that I would do with a lot of confidence. If this candle right now comes down, re-breaks the lows, but closes with no bottom wick. If we close any kind of no bottom wick, I'm going to have a buy limit right here off this level, and this will be our stop. It's a bit steeper than the previous position, but it's still within our parameters, 70 pip stop. It'll be a 2-lot, and I think that's going to be the attempt for the evening. I'm going to have to reevaluate it, though, as I want to see what the 4 hours bringing here and what the hourly's bringing here. Notice how we haven't drawn up a single line. Kind of naked trading, nude candles. Close the door. But I'm with you on it. Yeah. The idea. Yeah. I mean, it sounds good in theory. Let's see if it works in real life. Oh, it might come down right now. I'm not gonna take nothing. Nothing. Not until the candle closes. Next thing you know, we're down here and Wix is like, all right, chat, I'm gonna buy right now. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. I hit this exact trade yesterday. Right here. You hit it right there? Right. What time was this? 7 a.m.? Damn. Early bird got the worm. Oh, you mean the exact price point, not like the same type of trade. Right? I just don't like how the fuck it's coming down here. It's a heavy 4-hour candle. But man, this level. You know what? Come on. Close up already. Damn. Options, I might be in here with you before the candle closes. It's gonna get interesting. I think we're gonna need a bounce and a top wick to eventually break through. Where are we gonna keep this? Let's look at the 15 here. Probably gonna be a 77.1 level, right? Limit buy. I gotta say, like, if this level is gonna be painful, it'll be quick. It'll be quick and painful. 75 pip stop, roughly. Maybe more right there. A little bit more. That wick over here to the left, probably 83. All right, gang, if we start coming down here, somebody just give the bird signal, start yelling. I gotta pee. BRB, 8 minutes for the hourly close. And we're gonna look for the next hour also to open up with a bottom wick if we're still up here. But I'll be right back before we come down. Oh, we didn't set it on the live account. On. I like how this is the everything 5, 15, 30, 1, 4 daily, right? It's every level. Good in that sense. We closed bullish on the daily. We're looking for supports. It's just the daily could technically this could be the low. It'll be you see when it came down here, boom, at a 50 pip pop. So that's gonna be it. 77 to 2, right? We're looking for a 50 pip pop from this area. We close here. The next hourly bottom wick might be quick. See what happens. Oh, might be there now. I get us there now. Or 168. Man, glad you had that stop us. Five-minute charge. There's a trend line. We'll break it. Break if it goes down anymore. Still day trend. I'm not looking to just go for it to go through the day. I'm just looking for a quick reaction at that level based on our bias. The daily is bullish. The 4 hours pulling back here. This is the bottom of the 4-hour range. Right now it's respecting this 30-minute and hourly. Cross to the left. If it closes respecting it and we open up with a bottom wick, right? I expect the bottom wick to tap this area and come back up with a drive. Continue drive. Let's see. There's a lot of time left here. Might never get here, right? Like you might close at this area at 41.85 here. And next candle never comes down to this area, right? You continue. But I'm going to bank on the fact that if we do come down to this area, we'll see some kind of reaction. Need a drink. Went on to 3 minutes here for the hourly close. What's a stop market sell? That's basically my stop loss. It's a sell stop. But if I have a buy limit here and it's 2 lots, then if it smashes through this really quickly, position in the other direction, we'll take those 2 lots out, right? So I'm basically utilizing this as a stop loss. Hope that explains it. All right, we got 90 seconds here for the next candle. I hear you guys if you're talking in the Zooms. See you guys writing. I was just stepping outside to do the damn thing, get that cryptochronic kind of light.
And while we're waiting these 90 seconds, please drop a like, sub to the channel, and please, please, please share the stream. Come on, gang. So let's grow the sub count. Let's grow this channel. Thank you.
Oh, there we go. About to rain hard here. Eddie in here? Eddie not in here. Yeah, we're looking for a bottom wick all the way down to our area. Straight down. All right, and then re-break the high here. This would make so much sense. It would even make sense on the break of the high, that 30, but here. Options, what's your exact entry? I'm debating between 77.1 and 77.6 over here. Right here, another 5 pips up. I just hit. Yeah. Also think this level might be a bit stronger than this one. We'll see. On here. 4176.8. Yeah, I think I'm gonna move mine up as well. We keep extending this stop, but like it just makes sense. This level right there, if you guys see it, it's 77.7, another 6 pips up. In the grand scheme of things, it should not be a big difference because the pump, it should be maybe a 50 pip pump up. We'll close at 40. I know we've extended the stop now by 10 pips from 83 to 93, but I don't want to tap this area right here as we're looking on the 30 where that wick came down from, came up from, and miss it by 3 or 4 pips, right? This is good. No top wick on this new hourly candle, and we respected this level, so this is exactly what we spoke about, right? 8 happened, B happened, no top wick, and now we just got to have C happen, right? And then you guys get the E. No, 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 no. Come on, behave. Come back down. Oh, behave. This would make sense, right? If you were drawing a trend line right here, right? We don't need to break down here. And just break the high of the previous 30. But it's just not a strong candle, right? This is such a weak candle, indecisive, right? It held, but it's very indecisive here. You can make a top wick. A lot of room to correct here. Wish it was a stronger candle, maybe. Maybe the 4 hour will be it, right? Next hourly, the 4 hour. But what are the chances of the 4 hour closing bullish now after all this, right? Look at that. gonna have to be a strong push up, and you have less than an hour, right? Or I'll probably closing bearish. You're looking for sell limits off the next hourly. So we want this to come down to these levels now. Because off the 4 hour, you're probably looking for sell limits over here, up here. Remember me. Did we share a sell? At some point? Damn, bro, I have no idea who that is. I'm YouTube famous, bro. I got three fans. What are you doing? Where are you going? Bro, Farzo, who are you talking to, bro? Got Tourette's. He's just blurting shit out today. Crazy. We upped the dosage. We gave him a straight jacket. We even returned his wheelchair. And he's still out of pocket. Damn. Tighten up, bro. Tighten up. You in on the buys on the flip? Stop previous 15. All right. I see you. You need a jet pack? Nah, that ain't the pack you need. You need a different pack. Waited for your setup, now you're executing. All right, that's your thing. That's your shit. Only gold trades you do? What are you saying? What do you mean only gold trades I do? Man, we trade many different ways. Right now, this is the nearest setup for us. I would like to take an onion off this level here, right? But this is too weak of a candle in the face of a really bearish 1 hour, and I'm expecting the 4 hour to close bearish here, right? So a little difficult to take any kind of buy on the break of that previous high, even though I understand, yeah, there's a certain probability it goes up, but I've seen my share of break the high, reflip bearish, because the higher time frame dictates so right now I'm paying attention to that, and the only reason I'm looking for a buy at this level is this is a 5 15 30 1 hour 4 hour level. It falls in line with the daily. The daily is bullish right now, so well, the previous daily is bullish, so we're looking to continue to go up, closing above the daily range. So this would have been a great level to bounce off of, and I was willing to, risk 2 lots for and about 90 pips on it. I'm comfortable with that in that position. You got to be comfortable and confident, and I'm both in that position. Here, you don't need a checklist. Be comfortable and confident. You don't need to wait for days and pay thousands of dollars for a checklist. Bar's about to go into hibernation here. Slow down, cuz. Chill. Relax. I'm Bumblebee looking to pollinate her flower. Bro, that's some shit Forrest Gump would say to Jenny. Stop acting weird, bro. An inverted head and shoulder shampoo thingy? Yeah. Pyrethin zinc. Oh my god. Yo, chat. I forgot. It's 9 o'clock, 9:10. I'm going to run a little early today. Let's see if we get our positions. I got to run at around 9:30. I'm still going to be trading. I'm going to be back at around 11. And I'm going to look at the markets, see what the deal is, and see if we get something in the signal channel like we did today at 2:30. I completely forgot. I would have sat here throughout the hour. That would have sucked. But for now, it ain't doing much. We're still waiting on a setup. My schedule for tomorrow, there's no stream tomorrow. It's Thanksgiving. Banks are closed. I don't stream when the banks are closed. The algos run the markets. Be careful having these limits on a day off. Like, so I mean, when banks are closed and the algos run it, market doesn't react like it normally does. Like, if you get the right direction, it'll just push. But if you're looking for a limit for a reversal, they'll just typically slam through the levels just to get where it's going. It just needs to get places and it goes there. It doesn't have the same reactions that it does during the typical sessions when banks are open. But like, don't let me, take you away from your trades. Like, just I'd say be a little more careful. But like, if you see something setting up that you're very comfortable and confident in, like as we were just saying, take them. I mean, you gotta take it. Gotta take it. Hey, nice message, Sam. Appreciate you. Lovely Thanksgiving message in the Discord. Oh. $15 is gonna close bearish. Burst. God, giving away 10 pips here. I think we get there. Really think we get there. Not sure we hold there, but I think we get there. I'm lying. I think if we get there, I'm more confident in us getting there than... I'm more confident in us holding this level than getting there. If I was confident that we're getting there, we'd just get in for sells. But I'm more confident in this level holding than us getting there because we might reject and come straight up here. stuffing pie playing tomorrow. All right. Let's see. 77.7 TP. 81.7. Going 40 flat. Dun, 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 dun. Damn, I only have 15 more minutes. I'm like, yo. This position. Kenny, you in cells?
Nope, nope, nope. I'm looking for buys, my brother.
All right, all right.
Patiently waiting.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to buy from this area. I'm not sure if it's going down there.
Well, buys are best on the break of that previous 30 high here, but I'm not confident that that's like the bottom wick here for the 4 hour or for the hourly. Maybe it is for the 4 hour, right? Maybe the next 4 hour opens up, comes down, taps that area, and then back up. But hey, we break highs here. We might be coming up here and back into this chop, and then it's happy Thanksgiving. How many pips are you looking for after limit is hit? 40. Back to these wicks up here. Level holding here across the board. The fuck is the weekly looking like this for? Think it's coming back down to fill this gap? Is that because of the switch of the contracts? It just opened up at a new price? Yeah, the old contract 41.21, new contract 41.63. Yeah, that's the contract switching. That's what it is. Now I get it. Okay. Makes sense. Come back down. Get around, everybody. Get around. Incoming. $15 flip bearish. Can the 30 re-break its own low? Can the hourly do that? Give me 1 second, chat.
Only in the box. And you can't take him out of the box.
Might happen here.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. 70.
Brick City. I came outside. It started raining. Joint about to get all wet.
But no. Are we coming down here? All right. 9:25. I gotta run at 9:30. I'm gonna be late. I think I'm gonna have to be late. We need to get this done. Ugh. Started raining. Run to the med store. You mean a trap house? Yo, what's up with the YouTube? Oh, I thought they canceled us for a second. So the 30s closing bearish here. We got 3 minutes to go. Wait, can we come down here now? All right, good luck here, peeps. May the forces of evil become confused on the way to your house. Buffering for you too? Yeah, it felt like it was buffering for me for a second. Oh, the suspense is killing me. All right, the 30 just close. Oh, 5 seconds. 5 seconds on this closure. I think it's still respected. Can we come down here? Come down. We don't need to top it off with a top wick. To print this sideways. Trust. Trust. Look, dog, I had to go, and I'm trusting this shit to get to our level and give us a position and a W. But at some point here, gonna get there. Gonna get there. Good luck, gang. I mean, Asian's been printing. Look, Asian's really come down here. Really? Really? Interesting. What happened now here? I gotta go.
Gotta go.
Hey, gotta go.
You gotta go. You gotta go.
Yeah, bro, that's the thing. You gotta go. You gotta go. I gotta go. And this. Just don't want it to be here. Print something. I come all the way up here. I cancel this and leave. I'll fucking frolic out of here. I'll skip a diddle do. But if you're gonna come down, like I know this fuckery, right? Like I close this out. As soon as I get in the car, I'm gonna get a text message. I'm gonna get a Discord message. Profits taken. I'm be like, I haven't even left yet. I'm just getting in the car.
Yeah.
Let me get dressed for that.
this doesn't activate 9 minutes from now by this 15 close, I'm gonna call it a session, call it a stream. I'm gonna wish everyone here happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy the turkey, enjoy whatever you're gonna eat, but really enjoy the company you're gonna be with. Try to remember who and what got you here and be thankful for it. Be grateful. Be grateful. Above and beyond everything else tomorrow, right? Yeah, we got another 9 minutes that I'll rock here, which if we can get this position here activated, great. If not, I'll call it a session, and I will close everything out because I won't be home to manage it. So, just in case it does get activated, I'm gonna wish you guys luck. Yeah, don't forget to drop a like and sub to the channel. Not pumping back up, which makes me feel like there's enough bearish momentum to sustain a small drop here. Did rain a bit. Did we flip bullish? We did flip bullish. Let's see. I'll be here for this 15 candle. Down it. Gang, by the way, I just checked. We are less than 10 subs away from 27.7. Thank you. Less than 10 in this session. Appreciate it. If you haven't subbed yet, if you're newer, give me 1 sec. I'm standing behind the screen. Drop a like, sub to the channel. We do this every day, twice a day, 2 sessions a day, 8 a.m., 8 p.m., New York, Asian, pop-up sessions, midday sessions. Up for the effort, and please share the stream because there's a lot of value here, a lot of experience, trading experience, life experience, business experience, and a lot of dedicated people who want to answer questions, not just answer them, but want to go out of their way to answer you and help you. Right? Something to be said about that. So please drop a like, sub to the channel, and please, please, please share the stream. I'll be right in. Oh, it flipped. It grabbed all the buyers' orders. A lot of people had buy limits there on the break of the highs, right? We realized that part too. 30 flipped. Yeah. Charlie flipped, didn't re-break the highs. Yeah. Might come down here. Might be a heavy drop. Let's see what happens. It's still holding. Let's see. Has to be ready. We're ready to go. We're ready. Oh shit. Uh-oh, it's coming in there. Coming to there. All right, back to bullish. I got time. That shit goes. I'm gonna be late. What do you have limit buy at that level? Why? Just rewind a little bit, and you'll understand. We went over this many times throughout the stream. Rewatch the stream. Rewatch a little bit earlier. We didn't do a massive breakdown when I came in here because it looked like we were gonna get some positions, but we kind of sat here the rest of the stream. If you can see, this was the beginning of our stream. And unfortunately, right after this big drop here, right, that happened at market open, right, this is our session right here. We've spent 2 hours here. This was just market open at 8, and we figured we're getting to our levels. We attempted it here. I got a small little W. I think it still comes down here at some point, but just gotta run. I'm sorry, I want to be in these positions. I was supposed to leave 15 minutes ago, 9:30. It's 9:45, and yeah, it might pump out of here, but I gotta be out of here, so I'm gonna delete this. Love you guys. Thank you for rocking with me always.
All right, my brother.
Might get there now, but I'm not gonna be in it. I'm not gonna be around to manage it. If it does it, let's say the 4-hour closes here, and you open up with a bottom wick. I mean, great area to kind of look for a rejection there to start coming up for the 4-hour top wick. Right? Don't over risk because probabilities are probabilities, but there's always a chance. So don't lose your mind on a single trade besides everything else. Yeah, everybody enjoy your evening. Thank you guys for showing up. Zoom gang, I'll see you guys in the clubhouse side of things. Mods, thank you for helping me run the stream. Have a great Thanksgiving, everyone. All right, chat, love and wisdom to you all. And really enjoy the Thanksgiving. Forget about everything else and just think about the things you're thankful for, the people you're thankful for, and don't waste an opportunity to tell them. Right? Don't wait. It's an amazing opportunity provided to you every year, no matter how much you like holidays, don't like holidays. You're going to see family, majority of you. And if you're going to do that, tell them how you really feel while you still really have the chance. Hey, guys, please, we're 3 subs away from 27.7. Let's see if we can get there. I really appreciate you.
Thanks for your help, for helping me grow this channel, and let's just keep growing it. Keep showing up. I'll keep providing dubs, and Wix 9 stimulus checks will be going down or going out on the daily. And as long as you guys keep showing up, thank you for the support. And I will see you here Friday. I think Friday morning, maybe Thanksgiving Eve. I don't know. Maybe we hop on for an Asian session. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'm feeling generous tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow morning is great. And I'm like, fuck it. Let's beat the algos and we'll hop on. I just, let's see. But we're definitely, we should definitely be here Friday. One more stream for the week, at least Friday morning, right? But possibly two. All right, gang. Love you guys. I will see you after Thanksgiving. As for me, my time here is up. And just like that, another Asian session is in the books. Happy Thanksgiving. Later.